What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen won't turn on issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the screen won't turn on issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then tap on manage apps. Now tap on this three dot more option, and here tap on other settings, and then in other settings tap on reset app preferences. Now tap on reset apps. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset the app preferences for all of the phone apps, including disabled and default apps, and after that the screen won't turn on issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen won't turn on issue on Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.